Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Nathan. Just want to say good morning to everyone to both the East and West Coast. Hope you guys are enjoying your day today here on Thursday. Almost one more day till the weekend, starting on Friday. Hope you guys have a good day today. And for this video, I want to talk about the potential news on SmackDown possibly moving to Thursday night. Posted by Steve Carrier of NoDQ.com for today of August the 7th, 2014 at 10:42 a.m. It says, regarding WWE SmackDown possibly moving to Thursday nights, a WWE source confirms their official statement from Wednesday that the move is being considered, but no decision has been made. With the fall TV schedule needing to be put into place, the decision on SmackDown will be coming very soon. As of yesterday, Sci-Fi had not locked in their fall schedules yet, so while it may be hard to believe, it's very possible that someone in WWE jumped the gun and had production trucks painted without the official announcement. Source, PWI Insider. So, yeah. What do I think about SmackDown possibly moving back to Thursday nights? I think it'd be a good move on their part to go back to Thursday nights. And, I remember watching SmackDown back in the day. I think it was in the 2000s or late 1990s when it first came on. I always got excited for SmackDown after Raw was over on Monday nights because it was to see what was going to happen. And seeing all the like stars on the show, Steve Austin, Triple H, Taker, Rock, and so many others. Um, I always look forward to it. And when SmackDown had when WWE had the draft, SmackDown was one of the at times were one of the better shows and sometimes became the A brand of the WWE because the stars such as Taker, Orton, I mean they wanted to make SmackDown the A brand because Raw has all the super power and stuff. So I wouldn't be surprised if they did move back to Thursday nights. And if they do, I think it'd be good for them and good competition with TNA. I mean, even though if TNA does get a deal, not with Spike. But tell me in the comments below, guys, what you think about this. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you in the middle? You're neutral about it? If so, tell me below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as always. I'll be back later on today as always for another video coming up. It might be about wrestling, comic books, soap operas. We'll see what happens. But this is Nathan saying peace. Take care, guys. Have a great day today here on Thursday. Stay strong. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.